Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start this morning's webinar, the silver outlook is currently attempting to restore its bullish bias. And as you can see here, the market is clearly respecting that level of $16.30 as it now moves on to challenge that $16.50 level currently at the moment. It is viewed that the market will progress further from there and look up towards $16.70 and then further towards $16.85.95 and clearly unwinding the market out of an oversold situation. From a technical point, you can see that the stochastic is shaping up to a slightly bullish stance. But I still would like to see the histogram on the MACD shape up a little bit as well. But if we get that rise today up towards that $16.70, then this market should continue on, as I mentioned, to this objective of $16.85.95. Any pullback on the day should still respect $16.30. The gold implications is coming back to a bullish stance as the market now clears the resistance of 1249. With the outlook still holding towards the top side, could see a rally on towards 56 with a firmer resistance seen at 1266. Any pullback on the day should find support from 1240. Well, the bearish implications have returned for the Australian dollar. As you can see, the market is now looking towards the support coming in at 40 as minor. I do expect to see further weakness as the technical implications do slowly unwind to the downside. Now, if we get a break through zero on the MACD from the histogram, should strengthen up the stochastic as well and eventually see the market move towards a level of 75.0515. And then if we see a breach beneath there, the next target comes in at 74.30. Any advances on the day should find resistance firmly from 76.35 and beneath there at 75.80. The euro outlook still bearish, but concerns still are given to the fact that the market has, over the last 24 hours to the US dollar, trimmed back some of its gains, with the support still holding firmly from 110.70. Could see a short-term recovery, but however, I'm looking towards 111.70 as resistance and firmer above at 112.30 to 112.80.90. Now, if we do get a break beneath 110.70, this will give further implications to the downside and bring in a target of 109.85 to 109.10.15. Well, the dollar-yen case still just holding on to its bullish sentiment. As you can see here, for the last 3 days, since we had that ignite on Monday to the upside, the market has not followed through. At this moment in time, the resistance is still seen at 111.90. Now, a break above there would give further scope up towards 112.50 and reassess from there. But what is concerning me is the fact that the market is losing some momentum here. So we could see a pullback towards the support that comes in for dollar yen at 110.80 and reassess from there. And to round up with sterling, the market did stab to a new low overnight. After previously challenging the 126 level, the market got down towards the support of 125.30. with the 30.55, should I say, with the support respecting and demand coming back in front of that at 125.85. At the moment, I still hold it to a bearish outlook, and I still feel the market will continue to challenge this level around 125.30. A break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in the target around 124. But let's reassess first to see how the market plays towards that 125.30 level, in case we get a short-term recovery from there. Resistance on the day now seen at 126.90.05. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.